My friends, it is your wartime consigliere, CryptoFace. And I am here. And today is trap day. Excuse me. Today is Tuesday. That's right. Coming off of the Sunday pump into the Monday dump. Had to go back into the vault, tap on a couple of my Chinese friends, gain access, drop a bomb, close up shop, and I am back here with you people. Then I had to sleep. I have awoken. I'm awake. And today I'm here to serve you. So let's dive in the charts real time here. Start with the daily, because we know what the weekly looks like. The weekly, first off, it's momentum still to the downside. Open gates on momentum on the weekly. It's a new week. Money flow still coming down. R size still coming down. Even just that candle shape, bearish. Bearish. On these higher time frames on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Okay. Daily, I mean, so far, if the trend is up, down, up, down, up, down, and to the downside, that is what's most likely to be happening. We have a lower low on momentum. And yes, we did have the daily bit boy green dot. And since then, the price has come up. If you got in on that, even at the end, you know, you made something. But things don't last forever. Let's go to the 12-hour. Okay. So momentum came up, price came up. RSIs, they are green, but they're weak. They're a little weak here. Momentum curving over, VWAP coming over. It's not looking good. It's looking sell, sell, sell. It's looking like a sell, sell, sell on this time frame. Let's continue to the 6-hour. The 6-hour. Just breaching over the momentum wave here. Looking like a sell. Looking like a sell. Let's go to the 4-hour. Now, money flow did come up. There was a nice little bullish action here, but now momentum has reached the top. RSIs are gapped. The 2-hour. You know, is this the inward curvature VWAP oscillation right here came into the green a teeny bit. You know, if this is the beginning of the bear market, in the bull markets, it stays green, a little bit of red. Green. Again, the bull markets, they're a lot of green, a little bit of red. A lot of green, a little bit of red. Now we have a big red wave, a little bit of green. If this money flow doesn't pick up, like if this money flow comes back down for another red wave, bearish. What we're going to see here. So I'm keeping my eye on that. Let's go to the hourly. Okay, hourly. Money flow still in the green. RSI is coming down. Tough action right now. This is tough action. Tenactin. This is tough action. Hang on a second here. What the heck? Hang on one second here. I knew it. What the heck? Hang on a second here. One moment here, folks. What the heck? What? What's the problem here? What is the problem here? I'm having a little technical difficulties here. I All right, whatever. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Where were we? Were we on the hour, 2 hour? Okay, hour. Money flow is in the green. Momentum's coming down. Let's go to the 30. 30. Money flow coming down. RSI's red. Yeah, not a good sign. For the bulls, not a good sign. Market opens in, what, an hour? So a quick note. The big moves typically happen not when the market, quote unquote, opens, but when the big money market opens, which is 15 minutes after. So if the market opens at your time at, let's say, 8:30 in the morning, it's at 8:45. That's when the real market opens. So that's when you like really see the big moves on the dot. That's what happened yesterday. Yesterday, boom, when the real market opened, whammy. Let's go to Ethereum. Okay, so since the dump, we've been floating up here. Let's go to the weekly. Pooey. Boy, that RSI. Oh man. Man, I tell you, it doesn't look good for ETH on the macro scale. Man, this thing could get ugly. It's holding the spider line, dipped below it, snapped back at it, this 35. But boy, if this thing keeps going, you can bet your keister 2,800 is the next stop. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Okay. A little deep momentum here. Again, RSI is coming down. Bearish. Daily. We are in the red. RSI is flipping green. Let's go to the 12-hour. 12-hour, a little choppy, a little messy. 6-hour, 6-hour. Momentum clipping. 4-hour was looking a little better. We have a little inward curvature on money for a little, this thing was started out curving nice. But now that the price has come up a bit, it's running into resistance. Running into resistance. I just missed the trash man again. Son of a... That's all right. I don't have that much trash this week. Okay, whatever. I was able to catch him last week. Okay. All right. RSI's red. Heading down. Choppiness down here. This is choppy stuff here. Yeah. Ugly. I got to I feel like I have to lean bearish, folks. As far as the stock market, yesterday we were blessed with an upward day. Yesterday was profit taking, man. Planetar, like everything, Google, Amazon. Yesterday you were blessed. We were blessed with a green Monday. I hope if you're in those markets, you at least shaved some profits. Gold. Gold, baby. Gold, baby, gold. Go, 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 gold. This is a good sign for gold. It's holding up. We've been keeping track of this money flow here. We've been keeping track of gold. Had a nice little inverse head and shoulders on the money flow. Beautiful RSIs, beautiful momentum, beautiful basic strategy. Gold, baby, come on, keep on coming. It's time. You took your little break. You scared everyone away. It's time for the resurgence to continue. It's time to continue, baby. Amazon. I'm still, yeah, Amazon. I'm still, overall, in I think there's going to be a lot of profits to be taken, especially on any government reopen. Fundamentally speaking, I think people have a little bit of fear in them for what's going to come next, and a healthy restructuring of this country and things like minerals, mining more minerals, producing things back in this country, get more industrial, localized industrial, domestic industry. While it's good for the country, good for the people, the prices of everything come down. When there's no competition, prices go up. When there is competition, prices go down. We need prices to come down. And they will. They will. But however much longer we have, I think it's risk off, and money's going to be going more focused into big companies, Google's, Amazon's, Apple's, so on and so forth. That's what I'm thinking. I imagine Bitcoin dominance is probably kicking ass. OG Bitcoiners are selling. For the people who've never sold are selling. Can't blame them. Price over 100 G's, I'd be selling too. Bitcoin against an OG spider line right now. Click. Clacking off it. Yeah. I am overall bearish. We're not here to gamble. The Sunday going into Monday, man, that might be the move we make every week coming up here. Especially if it pumps on Sunday. If it pumps on Sunday, you can be damn sure that it just come 8:45 or 9:45 or 7:40. The 15 minutes after the market opens, when the real market's open, boom. Got some exciting things coming up here this week and the next. Thank you for taking your time to be here. Yeah, be careful out there, folks. Be careful. And we'll play it minute by minute, hour by hour. Right now, right now, it's risk off. It's risk off right now. Let the market open. And as soon as we get that first, one or two confirmations of a move, whoop, we'll hop on that train and ride it. And we ain't, it's roach season still. It's roach season still. Get what the market gives you and take it and leave. All right, I'll see you guys soon. We might stream today. We might be streaming today, folks.